Let's talk about the Apple Watch, more specifically how you can change the color of the hands on your Apple Watch face. There are certainly plenty of ways you can customize the Apple Watch and the way it looks, so let's get into it right now. First of all, what I would recommend you to do is to use your iPhone for it instead of the watch. You can do all the customization required directly from the iPhone, which I think is much better than looking at the small watch screen. So open up the watch app on the paired iPhone, then click on the face gallery at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can browse all of the available watch faces. Keep in mind that we're talking about Apple and the amount of customization is rather limited, but there are still some watch faces that can also modify the color of the hands, not just the background of the face. These include the Reflections watch face, which is pretty new, and it's designed so the watch hands reflect the color of the background. So what you can do is to customize the color of the watch face background, and the hands will quite literally reflect it. Another one I found is the Unity, but this specific one, where the shadows are kind of colorful so it looks a bit different. But other than that, the watch hands are not customizable at all. They're mostly just black or white or have an outline of those colors. So that's how it currently works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, leave them below in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing if you like this video. See you later.